Hey guys, this is John, and I'm now from the Clever Spender. Just so you know, for those new to this channel, this was previously called Cebu Gadget Zone. And purpose supposedly was to unbox, review, and share tips and tricks when it comes to the latest gadgets or whatever gadgets that I already have. Apparently, did not go well. Right now, I want to share with you my interest when it comes to spending money, not necessarily about banking. We can also talk about different tips and tricks on how to use different payment methods like Paymaya, Gcash, also investments when it comes to UITF or investing in cryptocurrencies. Moving forward, since I'm also new to cryptocurrency, talking about cryptocurrency, I will be sharing with you my journey from the beginning up until siguro kung ano man yung mangyari sa akin. I hope that you can join me as we explore the benefits or the pros and cons of engaging yourself into cryptocurrencies, especially in the Philippine setting. I will be discussing what options do we already have or kung ano man yung mga pwede nating gawin moving forward. The next video will show you how I started, ano yung mga dapat nyong gawin, ano yung mga dapat nyong i-ready, how much are you supposed to be spending, or how much are you willing to risk when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, just to name a few. Of course, on top of that cryptocurrency topic that we have, we will also be discussing things on how to save money when it comes to transferring funds, when it comes to making payments online, when it comes to anything related to banking, technology, and finances. That's the new topic of this channel, and I hope that you click on subscribe, you share the channel, and then you click on the like button, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Thank you guys.